Hi folks, I've just stopped to put the sat nav on. We're quite a way away. We're not even halfway yet, so bear with us. We'll let you know when we get there, innit, best? Yeah. I don't think the video would bring out exactly what I can see. It's quite crazy. There's a sign saying no camping, but it's on the gate, so I presume it's beyond the gate. There's no camping. Not in the lay-by, which is not camping, is it? We're just sitting here for the night. See, I'm sitting for the night. I've done a few modifications. I bought 2 doodlies baskets. I got another mattress off a friend, which should be too comfortable. I blacked out the back windows. I put a curtain up there, and by here you've got to press 8 times. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2. I got the fairy lights in. Oh boys. Well, it's a nice place to get murdered. Wait for the kettle to boil. Let's hope it goes a bit quieter later on. Look what these school buses are doing. I couldn't see anybody down the lake. You can see the lake down there. Or the reservoir, if you don't want to call it a lake. You can call it anything you want. Pictures. Oh, you won't believe I come here, will you? Well, I bust. Huh? Then you have a We're going to try a quick fly. It's raining. See? It is raining, but I should get up there and back down pretty quick, I think. we moved back down the mountain a bit because it was that foggy up there you couldn't see in front of you. So if I'm going to get murdered, I want to see who's doing it, like. So we come down the mountain a bit to the next reservoir, which is a lot better, gotta be honest. There's a van by there. There's some kids fishing by here. Better. Another one of my mods is this thing here. Was 3 pencil batteries. It lasted about an hour. So what I did is convert it to take one of these on the USB. A 5 volt is red and black. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Do-dee-doo-dee-dee-dee-dee. Go to sleep. Do-doo-doo. Do-doo-doo-doo. Do-doo.
Guys, we got company! Let's protect the key.
Hiya folks, this morning we managed to make it to the morning. Don't know if you can hear that. It's persistent down, absolutely persistent. I lost my keys about 5 times, and the thing is, you can't get out of here. Without the keys you can't get out, which is not clever.